how has sales changed in recent years? Like, for example, with the introduction of phones and the internet and all things like that.
Yeah, and I would say social media is like way more than that, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
And I think sales changed a lot even before your memory, and it really makes me sad because there's a huge miscommunication out there. All right. And I went to, do you know what I graduated college with? Do you know what I studied in college?
Um, actually, I don't know. Forgot.
Marketing.
Marketing?
Marketing. Because there's no sales really in college,
Yeah.
right? Here's where everybody's got it screwed up, Anderson. They think marketing and sales are the same thing. They're not. The internet, phones, apps, social media, freaking awesome. Really great for marketing. But marketing is not sales. Marketing is one-way traffic. It's a one-way conversation. I'm going to put out a video. I'm going to make an advertisement. I'm going to buy clicks to my website. I'm going to have a website. That's all one-way traffic. And people now think that that's what sales is. Sales has nothing to do with marketing. Marketing helps sales, but sales is a two-way dialogue. So where apps, phones, websites, social media has made marketing's life easier, it's made sales almost non-existent because people now think that they work in sales and they think that if they just send somebody a clever email from HubSpot and some template that they wrote or come up with some quick witty line that all of a sudden the deal's going to happen and sales are going to be made. Sales is about learning how to get somebody's attention, having a skillful conversation with them. When they say things like, man, I'm having trouble with this or that in my business. When you say you're having trouble, can you give me a specific example? And literally walking that person, understanding what's going on in their world, with their business, with their personal life, whatever it is that you're selling, and then being able to repeat their situation back to them, that has gotten exponentially worse. When we didn't have marketing, all we had was a conversation. Now that we have all of this marketing help, we don't have good conversations, and we expect that person to just arrive at making a decision because they saw a clever ad or because they got some sort of really cool written email or you've got a really cool app or whatever it is. And that just doesn't work. That only scratches the surface of how much help you can provide. And that's what's kind of cool about sales is everything I just explained to you, you can work on that without even working in sales. You can work on looking people in the eye. You can work in being like asking skillful questions. You can work at being respectful to people. You can work at good communication. And that's the stuff that no matter where technology goes, those people will always be separated. Those people will always be asked, even if it's not a sales job. Those are the future leaders of companies. Those are the future of whatever it is that you're involved in. It's the people that are excited, take interest, and have the ability to communicate. And I feel like sales has gotten exponentially worse over the years because everybody thinks it's just about having great marketing and then some really clever way to close the deal, and it's not.